Hi guys, this is me Kate again and I welcome back you to another episode of our tutorial videos, and in this video I'm gonna guide you through some simple steps on how you can simply sign up for Pinterest account on your PC or your desktop. So without further ado, let's get into the video. As you can see on the screen, I'm already on to this Pinterest web page. So what you have to do is open any web browser that you have on your desktop and then type pinterest.com on the URL and search for it. After that, you will be loaded to this screen right here, and now on your screen on the top right hand corner you will see login and sign up option together. So what you have to do is simply click on the button that says sign up. Now again you will see a dialog box that says welcome to Pinterest, find new ideas to try. So you have to provide your email on this section right here. After that, create a strong password and make sure to remember for the next time when you log into your Pinterest account. After that, select your date of birth. You can also link your Google account or your Facebook account with Pinterest and simply create an account, but for now we are creating a new account with our email. So after you are done with providing your email, password and your date of birth, simply click on to this continue option right below that. Here we are done creating our new Pinterest account that says welcome to Pinterest with your username. You can also save your password on your device by clicking on this save option, but for now I will go with never. Then click on this next option right here. Few questions will appear, so answer those questions. What's your gender? I'll go female, and language, that's the English. Your interest, what you have, so just pick any 5 of those and you are done with that. See, in this way you are logged into your Pinterest account that you have currently created. I hope this video helped you, and if it did, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe our channel, hit the like button and press the bell icon and be updated with more upcoming tutorial videos. Thank you for watching till the end, and we'll see you on next video.